Just do it little by little, and you know that's just not like
future predictions. We should
And they're looking at MK Ultra, and they're saying we have to continue to do this, but longevity. They know the way technology is going. We can't do it the way we're doing it now. So they're planning. Like there has to be thoughts that are like, okay, so we have to push this. What's the name we can put on it? How can we slowly push these people to understand this agenda or whatever it may be?
I think Ben Franklin saw this all coming, right? I mean, he has a famous quote, which I love. It says, "Those who would give up essential liberty to purchase a little temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety."
Mm-hmm.
Also, here's a kite. I invented it.
Right? I invented electricity.
I invented lightning.
Dude. Get it?
If he would have been here in the early days of Facebook and like MySpace statuses, he would have written some.
I'm like, Chip, don't do it.
That's a feed I'd like to go back through and read.
Yeah, I just it's interesting. Like it is a slow boil, right? And
was Tesla on here at some point?
No.
Come on.
We've got
what kind of list is
Tesla
this?
stuff.
That's
why
we've got COINTELPRO, which is the FBI against the 60s activists, where the FBI created a counterintelligence program which was designed to protect national security, prevent violence, and maintain the existing social and political order. But in other words, its purpose was to illegally disrupt dissident political organizations with the United States. It was active between 56 to 71.
Sounds of holiday gifting.
Oh.
Well, not the ones you're hoping for.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
You want squeals of delight.
Yes!
And spontaneously written songs of joy.
I am so happy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
To get those, make everyone on your list feel heard with gifts like personalized jewelry, custom artwork, vintage pieces, and home decor. For original gifts that say, I get you, Etsy has it.
And 85% of the program's resources were spent on marginalizing, infiltrating, and disrupting groups such as women's rights, the nonviolent civil rights movement, the Congress of Racial Equality, the American Indian Movement, and other civil rights groups. J. Edgar Hoover ordered FBI agents to expose, disrupt, misdirect, discredit, and otherwise neutralize the activities of these movements and their leaders. So this has also been proven to be true, even though it was a. And what do you know? It's like I feel like this list is all.
It's very curated.
It's curated, but it's all government lying to us, and then they actually did this project. Sorry, they were trying to.
This list
they want you to have
like,
syphilis.
Yeah, well, this list kind of seems like it's so well known now. They're like, yeah, this is the stuff that's true.
Well, this is what they give you, right? This is my point from the beginning. Is like we know there's a lot more here, but this is what they'll admit to right now.
Yeah.
Probably because number one, there's been enough time where people who would be super angry about this are either old or
dead,
have passed dead,
like JFK. Like that's why those files are
yes.
being pushed on so far, because it's like by the time this comes out, you can't do anything about it.
Well, it's like if they let Pete Rose in the Hall of Fame now after he passed away, because everyone gambles on baseball now and every other sport. It's a spit in the face. It's like,
I'm back.
Okay, so that's a whole other thing. But,
no, Tawny didn't do anything, guys. He was totally. Yeah.
I believe that.
I love that you just keep holding up the book.
Operation Northward. You guys heard of this one?
No.
Operation what?
Chat. What's the freaking vibes? Well, we did it. We dropped Amelia off. I got Sonya coffee. And we're back. 30 minutes after I intended on being back. Chat. No noise gate on my mic is actually irresponsible. Like, you can hear my mouth. If I just open my mouth, you can just hear my mouth. You guys probably can't hear that. I can hear it. Can you guys hear that? I'm just moving my mouth. Is that uncomfortable? He said stop. Yo. Oh. The hoodie's mad comfy. Let's freaking go. All right, guys. So, what I gotta do, chat, we're gonna play some OG. I need to... Is it... Is it zero build? I'm glad you like it. You're vibing. There, exclamation point brother. Guys, if you want to check out my brother's podcast, exclamation point brother. Dude, while I was gone, follow from an account called Mommy Massive Mommy Milkers. It was created 11 hours ago. I'm just going to go ahead and ban that person. I don't have time to deal with Mommy Massive Mommy Milkers. Yeah. You want coffee now? This isn't black coffee, chat. You want peppermint mocha. That actually sounds pretty nice. That actually sounds pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. Should we play some OG? Should we play some OG, chat? Is that what we should do? I think that's what we should do. What are mommy milkers, Sal? Tell me while you're young and impressionable. It's a group of lactation consultants. OG is back. Fortnite OG is back. That's my title. Chat, can we start a lactation consultant group called, and it just be the largest organization, the largest lactation organization, and just name it. We could name it Massive Mommy Milkers. Okay. Where are we dropping, chat?